Welcome back again, dear my subscribers and my friends. This time I wanted to talk about a new subject, explain how to make a link between Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. How can we make a link between these programs? It's not difficult, but you come here and on the Microsoft Excel we have this table. Just select all of them, or and on the keyboard press Ctrl and C to copy. After that you go to the new Microsoft Word document, open it, and you can here paste it, but the paste is different from the normal paste. Go to the Home tab. In the Home tab we have this button here, paste. Open this drop down and press paste special. After that we choose paste link, and we change to Microsoft Excel, press OK, and you have the table now here. And you go back to the document in Microsoft Excel. We want to enter some data. For example, as here we write Suleimania, then the country is Iraq, and the Suli, and write down some numbers, another numbers here, and we want the total of this column here. Press equal sum. We want the sum of the numbers. Select all of them, pull to the down and press enter. We have the sum here. And now any format here we change, immediately change in the Word document. For example, I choose all this number and change the color of the font to red, and this column. Okay, and now you go back to the Word document. Look, the new data here appear, and then sum we have here, the total number, and the change of the font color. Follow me of more. Thank you for watching.